This video helps you to understand how to install the KS Studio installer. The KS Studio installer is a desktop app that helps you to access, manage, and install all your purchased apps and plugins. Two ways to achieve this. First, after you successfully purchased a product, a success page comes up with a button to download installer. Click on the button and then download installer from there. Or you can go to our home page and scroll down a little bit till you find a part of the home page that says KS Studio installer. You'll see the button over there. Click on the button. Once you click on the button, the download starts. Once the download is complete, double click on the downloaded file. A permission dialog will pop up. Click on the run button. Then the KS Studio installer setup file will appear. Read through the terms and conditions and finish up the installation. Once the installation is done, then you can run and launch the KS Studio installer. This is how to install the KS Studio installer desktop app. It helps you to manage, access, and install all your purchased plugins and apps.